Hi everyone, welcome back to This Week Try This by Danielle. You know what? The last time I tried to make this dessert or sponge cake, it turned out really good. The flavor was excellent. However, it wasn't as jiggly as I wanted to be. It's the chocolate almond sponge Japanese cake. There's a new shop that just opened up around town and it's so popular. On their opening night, there was a huge, massive lineup to purchase it. Obviously, I don't like lining up, so I waited until the craziness has died down. Then I went in there and tasted it. It was actually really good. I want to make it at home today. I want to make the original recipe, but I want to include a little bit of orange peel for a little bit of tanginess to it. First, you will need flour, sugar, milk, salt, parchment paper, eggs, orange, So with the parchment paper, I cut it up into a square that's the size of the pan, and the pan is 8 by 8. I'm not a baker, but this is pretty easy. Hopefully it's nice and fluffy. So you want to preheat your oven to about 170 Celsius or 330 Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. Check on it at the very end, not in the middle. You do not want to open your oven in the middle. ready? Let's go take a look. Oh, it's ready, but you do not want to take it out right away. You want to leave the oven door open and let it cool off for about 5-10 minutes and then take it out. Yummy? I know, oh my god, I'm gonna have to try it right now. Okay, I have to admit, this is so much better than the other one I made, which is chocolate almond. This one is simple, has a little bit of sweetness, orange tang, a zesty taste to it. It's so awesome. You guys have to go try this. It's so good. I've seen a lot of other videos that does a Japanese sponge cake, but none of them apply any orange or certain flavors to it. There's a lot of just regular flavor and chocolate. That's about it, or maybe matcha flavor. But this is, I really like orange, so I did this. I don't know if there's anything out there, but I did it on my own and it's fantastic. So if you like it, you pick up something new, or you want to experience it yourself and it turned out awesome, I would love to hear about it. So until next time, I will see you.